Hey guys, we're back again. Crafty Creations with Can. I have an idea for a August calendar that I wanted to share with you guys. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but we're going to go with it at this point. I'm going to use some wax paper so that if I decide to move it around a little bit, I can. You may hear me struggling trying to peel off these stickers. I don't know where my tweezers are, but that's one of the joys of having children. I also printed a cute little doll that I want to fit on here, but if she does not fit, she's going to go on a weekly because I think she's like a little cute looking teacher I found on Pinterest. The lines showed through a little bit, but that doesn't bother me right now. Okay, y'all, so I forgot that I wanted to put some washi down here. So I don't think our little cute girl is gonna make it on here because she would be covering up the words, and we need to see her apple. We gotta see the apple. She's probably gonna have to go on a weekly. I have a 2 that I was planning on putting in the middle. So for some reason, who knew that this is the only, I didn't pay attention, but this is the only number that doesn't have the 31st. The only color number on this page that does not have the 31st. Well, I don't want that red to be by itself, so let's do something like this. So this is our little secret as to why red is only on this side. I'll try to post the after the pen if you guys are interested in seeing that. I felt like this area was kind of bare. All right, so this is it. You guys just let me know if you want to see the after the pen. Alrighty. Thank you for joining me. Until next time.